This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a peanut butter egg sandwich. First, gather your ingredients: 2 slices of your favorite bread, 1 egg, and about 2 tablespoons of creamy or crunchy peanut butter. You'll also need a small amount of butter or oil for cooking. Make sure your pan is ready and heated to a medium setting. This simple combination creates a surprisingly delicious meal. Now let's cook the egg. Place your non-stick pan on medium heat and add a small pat of butter or a drizzle of oil. Once the butter melts or the oil shimmers, crack 1 egg directly into the pan. Cook it to your liking, whether you prefer a runny yolk, a firm yolk, or even scrambled. A perfectly cooked egg is key to this sandwich. With your egg cooked, it's time to assemble. Toast your 2 slices of bread to a nice golden brown. While still warm, spread 1 generous tablespoon of peanut butter evenly on each slice. The warmth of the toast helps the peanut butter melt slightly, enhancing the flavor. Carefully place your cooked egg in the center, bringing the 2 slices together. Your delicious peanut butter egg sandwich is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm for the best experience. You might even consider adding a dash of your favorite hot sauce or a sprinkle of salt and pepper for an extra kick. This unique combination offers a delightful blend of savory and sweet. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.